Would you like to earn some money flexibly this summer? We have an amazing offer on right now with Avon where the Welcome Power Pack, which is normally just £39, has £10 off, so it's £29 until Monday the 17th of June at midnight. It also comes with 40 of our brochures and summer flyers, and you can see there's £130 worth of full-size best-selling products in there. So that includes one of our amazing fragrances. And you might not know, but we actually sell as a brand more fragrance than any other brand globally. We've also got some of our power serum in there, so some skincare, some makeup and some fragrance, something for everybody in there, and also samples for both you and your customer to try. So as well as the brochures, you also get a free online store, and you'll have the dedicated support of our business development specialists who would love to help you achieve your dreams. There's no pressures, and you earn from the first product that you sell. You can also sell digitally with your free Avon store and digital brochure as well. So it's perfect for the summer when you want to work flexibly, whether you're at home or away, and reach out to customers. And the best bit, if you sell £150 in your first month with Avon, in your first campaign, you will actually get your £29 rebated. What have you got to lose?